Hello, I'm here back again, trying to get this car over there to strip it up. It's a second day we coming here today. The first day was week ago, then it was 14th July 2013. That was, by the way, French National Day. I decided to start to strip that car in the French National Day, so it was the kind of celebrating French victory from Nazi Germany when we started to strip off that car from French National Day, if it doesn't matter anything. However, that car was not built during the Second World War or not even the First World War. It was soon after, later on, those things. And well, that was just a philosophical thing to do, kind of deep thoughts in my twisted mind or something like that. Well, you can forget it. But however, the first day we started stripping off this car was 14th July 2013, so a week ago, and that was the French National Day, even that we are not in France right now. We are in Finland, West Finland, and today, which is second day, and today is 21st July 2013, the working continues. So today, 21st July 2013, I'm going to keep on working where I left week ago. First, I put this hat, cap, whatever you can call about it, that I won't mess my hair, to cover up my hair like that. Then I took my working clothes, and then after I get them on my hands, I took a hacksaw, and I'm trying to now take these first front bumper frames off, because they are rusted so deeply there, bolts and nuts, that you can't just take them off with the spanner. So you need hacksaw to saw it off. And one more thing, just a bit. It's also always very good to wear eye protection glasses, because there is a chance that when you do a hacksawing, the hacksaw blade will cut in two pieces if you have to twist and hacksaw, and it might spoon right on your eye. So protect your eyes, even that you might think about it, it's a little bit over exaggerating or something like that, but it's good to wear anyway. So I'm going to take these eye protection glasses and then start working on it. Right, we move on to the target, which is a strip of car. Right here. These frames or holders, whatever you call them, is trying to take them off by using the hacksaw.